Cool. So I'm super pumped to introduce this rep. This is a cool person. Tacoma, lifted. Had it for a couple days. We had to do some roof stuff, some hood stuff. But this is a full wrap. And we're gonna send it with some underglow, new headlights. She already installed tail lights. And she's gonna be a neck breaker. So that's who we are. This is gonna be the dopest truck in town. Right, Steven?
Yeah.
Put in work on this. Cool. Hey everyone, just finished up the Tacoma and I'm en route to delivery. We're bringing it to our spot and then she's gonna come here and see it and it's gonna be crazy. So I hope you guys follow along, watch the video. It's gonna be cool. Are you excited to see it?